Ahoy, this is Zdenka. 5 months ago, I introduced the beginner-friendly budget drone Potensic Atom 2 on this channel. In this video, I'm going to introduce a newly upgraded version of this drone. I'll go through all the features and show lots of footage. This video is brought to you by Potensic. As you're watching footage from this drone, let's mention basic specs. This drone is designed as an entry-level, beginner-friendly drone with versatile capabilities, meeting most aerial photography needs. That falls under the 249 grams category, so no registration is required and no license is needed for recreational use. I live in Canada. Maximum battery life is 32 minutes. I have fly mode combos, so this drone comes with a parallel charging hub so you can charge 3 batteries at the same time. It takes about 1.3 hours to fully charge the batteries. The 3 batteries together give you 96 minutes of flight time. Maximum speed is 16 meters a second, and it can handle up to level 5 wind resistance. You can fly it in normal mode or FPV mode. The drone is equipped with a Sony half-inch sensor, f1.8 aperture, which captures 48 megapixel 8K photos and 4K HDR videos. The drone offers a maximum of 10 kilometers HD video transmission with ultra-low latency and smart transfer. All you have to do is connect it with your phone via Wi-Fi to be able to transfer 4K HD footage. You can even share it on socials in real time. As you can see, the drone is very small. It can fit into a pocket, the little carry bag is very portable, and you can take it with you anywhere. The first new upgrade is this new PTD-1 Remote Controller with a beautiful large screen. I've used the remote with a smartphone on the first drone, and it's a day and night difference. I really appreciate the large screen. It's bright. You don't have to attach anything, no wires, just turn it on and you're ready to go. You don't get any phone calls or messages, so it's actually safer. The remote has 6400 mAh battery. As it supports 27 watt fast charging, 90% of the battery is charged in just 1 hour and 25 minutes, and you get up to 3 hours of use. There is a built-in 32 GB storage, which is expandable. One of the main features is a one-handed takeoff, which is much faster than takeoff with a traditional controller. What else is new? Let's take a look at some clips. This is a normal or standard video. The next clip is filmed in HDR. And the last clip is filmed in the new P-Log profile. Once you color grade it, it's going to give you this kind of a result. It gives you better dynamic range, so you get richer colors. Overall look is just better. I filmed all the clips in automatic mode. You can film in manual as well, but unfortunately I don't have ND filters for this drone, so that is what I had to do. What I didn't mention yet is that there is up to 4 times zoom, so you can get very good framing of what you are filming. You can also film in 2.7K and 1080p. Besides normal video mode, you can also film in 3 times, 4 times, or 5 times slow motion. Slow motion is filmed in 1080p. Cineroll is another mode. It's basically an Inception-style effect that gives you another creative possibility. The next modes are all AI modes. AI Night can only be enabled once you take off. As it is AI powered, it reduces noise and improves low light video quality. Well, let's see some footage. There are more filming modes that are only available once you actually bring the drone up. The AI track is first. Spotlight is just having a drone hovering in one spot. It keeps you in the frame wherever you move. Follow mode is self-explanatory. The drone will follow you. We had lots of fun with this one, as you can tell. Parallel mode will follow you by your side. AI quick shots have program moves such as pull away, spiral, rocket, circle, boomerang, and dolly zoom. All you have to do is select subject to track and one of these options. Let's try some. Let's leave the video and check out what is offered in photo mode. In a single mode, you can take photos in JPEG or RAW plus JPEG in 16:9, 9:16, and 4:3 aspect ratio. Manual mode is here as well. In photo mode, you can zoom up to 2 times. When you take photos in JPEG, they will be 48 megapixels. If you select JPEG and RAW, the photos will be 12 megapixels. You can also enable vertical photo mode, which is achieved by cropping photos taken in all other modes will be 12 megapixels JPEG files. The next mode is to take photos in 8K. No digital zoom is available here. Bracketing mode takes 3 or 5 photos at different exposures. Those are then merged for a wider dynamic range and richer detail. You can zoom here 2 times and you can select 16:9, 9:16, and 4:3 aspect ratio. Burst mode will take up to 7 shots and you can also zoom in up to 2 times. Interval timer shooting lets you select between 2 seconds and 30 seconds intervals, which is ideal for creating time-lapse. The last mode available is Panorama. You can take ultra-wide panorama, 180 degrees, vertical, and spherical panorama. When it comes to drone settings, everything you need is here. You've got safety settings, calibration control with all remote controller settings, and gimbal settings, camera settings. You can fully customize everything. Potensic Atom 2 drone is offered in 4 different packages. Standard kit has Atom 2 drone with a remote controller and 1 battery. Standard kit PTD-1 has drone, this new PTD-1 Remote Controller, and 1 battery. These 2 packages also come with 8 spare propellers, 8 spare screws, gimbal protector, screwdriver, USB-C charging cable, 2 times adaptive cables, and propeller strap. Next is Fly More combo. So it is the drone, remote controller, and 3 batteries with charging hub. Last one, Fly More combo PTD-1 has drone, PTD-1 remote controller, and 3 batteries with charging hub. These 2 packages also come with 16 spare propellers, 16 spare screws, gimbal protector, screwdriver, USB-C charging cable, 2 adaptive cables, and propeller strap. What do you think about the drone? Let me know in the comments section below. I would like to hear your thoughts. When it comes to me, I absolutely love the remote controller. The screen is so big and bright. You can see everything nicely. I prefer this much more than using a smartphone with it. P-Log profile is very welcome. All the AI modes are great. I still would like to see collision avoidance added. With this one, you have to pay attention when you fly and be very careful. Just like I said last time, it will push you become a great pilot from the start. I would like to also see the raw photos being taken in 48 megapixels, not 12. Overall though, it's a very good drone for the price. It's budget friendly. I'm going to link all the packages below the video in the video description so you can see the current pricing. Give it a thumbs up if you found this video informative and don't forget to subscribe for more. I'll see you in one of those. Ciao, ahoj.